Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create Linktree on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open a browser on our phone. So just open a browser right here, and then on the search bar, just search for Linktree. Just enter, and then after that, you will be redirected right here. So just click the first link that will pop up on your screen right here. And then after that, the next thing that we need to do is to click sign up free, which is right here. So click that one. And then after that, you will be asked to enter through email, or you can log in with Google or Apple. So I will just gonna log in with my Google account. And then after that, just put the username that you want to put. And then after that, just answer all of these questions that will be asked. And after that, just click this free, join for free. And then after that, select a template that you want to choose. So let's say, for example, we will choose this one right here. So click start with this template. And then just click continue. And of course, we're going to add our Instagram username, YouTube username, and TikTok username if you want to. You can also add your own links right here, but I will just leave it as it is, and then just click continue. After that, I'm just gonna click continue again. If you want to select a profile image, or if you want to add title and bio, you can also do that. And then after that, click share your Linktree. After that, this is what it will look like. So just copy your Linktree URL right here. And once we have now copied it, just go back on Instagram, and then after that, click edit profile. And then after that, just scroll down until you see add link, which is right here. So just click add external link, and then just put this one, and then just add some titles like this, and then click check. And then as you can see, we now have shared the link for our Linktree, and that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.